Hey guys, we received this Tomtoc recycled portable storage pouch back case for test and try, and then this one is your the adjustable space. So let's see. So this one is natural sand color, and as you can see, this looks really nice. And then this have this zipper and also the strap thing here, and then the lining is waterproof. Also, this have the zipper pouch inside to store in your small stuff like the flash drive or things. And then you can just put on different chargers, adapters, charging cables, and then use it in a pouch bag. So right now I'm just throwing in some random stuff so that I can show you the size. So this have this my mobile, the charging cables, adapters and stuff, and easy to close here. So this also have this strap and this strap to hold it, or the back strap. So it's pretty nice, very easy. You can just put everything inside and then put it in your luggage or the travel bag. So basically a very nice thing to have, and then keep it organized, all your cables and things while traveling. And the other thing is it's also look good, so it will be seems more organized than any other stuff. So yeah, very nice pouch.